welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can you guess where am I today? It feels like a paradise, a huge garden full of beautiful and colorful birds. Would you like to walk with me? This bird garden is like a small paradise. It gives people a chance to see different species from all around the world. This is a silver pheasant. It has beautiful silver feathers, a long tail, and a bright red face. It's one of the most elegant pheasants in the world. What is feather? A feather is a soft and light structure that covers a bird's body. Feathers help birds stay warm, fly, and sometimes attract other birds with their colors. What is tail? A tail is the part at the back of an animal's body. Animals and birds use their tails to balance, communicate, or fly better. Most of the birds here are in danger of extinction. As you can see, the sky above this garden is covered with a large net. A large number of birds in this place are free to move around. They live in a space close to their natural habitat. Look at this huge pond with so many water birds. Let's go down the steps and get a closer look. Many water birds nest near ponds, lakes, or wetlands to feed on fish. They often gather in flocks and live together. Look at this pelican. Its pouch can hold a lot of fish, sometimes even more than its own stomach. This is a red-crowned crane, also called tancho in Japan. It's very famous for its elegant dance with its partner. Unfortunately, this bird is endangered. Some people think animals and birds shouldn't be kept in protected areas. They belong in the wild, in their natural homes. On the other hand, many believe that some species are endangered. Protected areas give them a safe place to live and reproduce, helping these beautiful creatures survive and flourish. This way, more of them can exist on Earth, and we can do our part to protect them. This parrot is sitting on the branch. That one is in the nest. What is the meaning of extinction? When a particular type of animal or plant stops existing, or the state of a species completely disappearing from the earth. A habitat is the place where an animal or plant usually lives and grows. A forest is the habitat of many birds. Here come the flamingos. Look at their long legs and see how they balance on one leg and stretch. It's like they're doing exercises. Did you know flamingos get their pink color from the food they eat? These birds can sleep while standing on one leg. Here we have another species, the common pheasant. Like many birds, the males are more beautiful and colorful than the females. Look at this huge bird. Its name is the southern cassowary, and it lives in the rainforests. It doesn't fly, but it's very fast runner. As you can see, this bird is beautiful, but also very powerful and even dangerous. There are a few reports of people being killed after attacks by this bird. At the end of the walking path in this garden, we reach the area specially designed for raising ostriches. Thank you for walking with me today. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next walk.